Class 11 students. Now I am solving compound angles few sums from 6(1)b exercise. See here, we have to prove this equal to 0. Now left hand side you take and break down sin a minus b formula. Sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. Here a is b and b is c. Similarly here sin a minus b, sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. Similar here also, break down in that way. Sin a minus b formula. Now do this by this. Then do this by this. This by this here. And this by this here. Similarly do this by this here minus this by this here. Similarly you separate this one and this one here and this one and this one here. Now see, many will cut this sin b, cut this sin c also, cut sin c, sin c, sin a, sin a, sin a, sin a, and sin b, sin b. Here will be cos by sin, that is cot, cos by sin, that is cos b. Here cos by sin, that is cot a, cos c by sin c, that is cot c, cos b by sin b, that is cot b, and cos a by sin a, here will be a, that is cot a. So this cot a and this cot a cut, cot b plus cot b minus also cut, and cot c plus cot c minus also cut, so 0. So that is equal to right hand side, it is proved. Now this sum sin b minus c, it is same, the technique is same, sin a minus b, sin b minus c, sin c minus a, you split up, then you cut, the answer will come. Next is this sum. Given this one, we have to prove this one. So you take the given one and cos a plus b, here cos a minus b you take in the denominator here, and sin c plus d you send that side in the denominator. Now you apply componendo dividendo. Componendo dividendo is numerator plus denominator by numerator minus denominator is equal to that side also numerator plus denominator by numerator minus denominator. That means this plus this by this minus this, again this plus this by this minus this, that I did here. Now here cos a plus b and plus cos a minus b, the formula 2 cos a cos b, it is given to you. Similarly cos a minus b into cos a plus b into cos a minus b formula, that is here you can apply cos c plus cos d formula, 2 cos c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2, and cos c minus cos d formula 2 sin c plus d by 2 into sin d minus c by 2. Here also sin c plus sin d formula 2 times sin c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2, and here also sin c minus sin d formula 2 cos c plus d by 2 into sin d c minus d by 2. So here just calculation you do, here sin minus theta is minus sin theta, here also sin minus d equal to minus sin d, this minus minus cancel. Now see cos by sin, it is cot, cos by sin it is cot b, sin by cos it is tan c, cos by sin it is cot d. Now this tan will go 1 by tan c, that will be cot c, tan c will go down, that will be 1 by cot c, 1 by tan c means cot c. So left hand side, see this equal to this, that is the required proof, so it is done. Now if a plus b plus c, it is given that a plus b plus c is equal to pi, then prove that this tan a plus tan b plus tan c equal to tan a tan b tan c. So you start from there here, then you C you send in the right side, this side plus, that side it will be minus. Now take tan both sides. So tan A plus B is equal to tan pi minus C. Now tan A plus B formula, tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B, and here tan, that is pi means 2 into 90 minus C, so it is coming in the second quadrant. Second quadrant all sign positive, tan is negative, so here 1 minus sign will come. Now you do cross multiplication, 1 into this means this, and minus tan C into 1, that is minus tan C, and minus tan C into minus tan A tan B, so that is plus tan A tan B tan C. Minus tan C you bring this side, so it will be plus. So the proof has come. So that's all for this video.